The XDiavel V4 is equipped with a 1,158 cubic centimeters V4 Gran Turismo engine that can produce up to 168 horsepower and 126 Nm of torque. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km/h can be achieved in less than 3 seconds, a figure that is usually only found on high-end sport bikes. In terms of design, the XDiavel V4 maintains its signature cruiser style, but with modern touches such as XDiavel headlights, quad exhausts, and exclusive burning red and black lava color choices. It is now 6 kilograms lighter than the previous. Ducati officially introduces the latest generation of its cruiser line, the XDiavel V4 2026. This motorbike is in the spotlight because it combines long-distance riding comfort with MotoGP-style engine performance. This vehicle is presented with the latest technological advantages by the Italian manufacturer. The Ducati XDiavel V4 2026 is back with the perfect combination of cruiser-style riding comfort and aggressive superbike performance. Advanced electronic features are also the main attraction, starting from a 6.9-inch TFT screen, cornering ABS, traction control, complete driving modes, to a two-way quickshifter. Ducati also includes a cylinder deactivation system for fuel efficiency when cruising. Aesthetically, the XDiavel V4 maintains its signature low-slung cruiser profile with modern elements like the XDiavel headlight and quad exhaust system. It is offered in two metallic finishes, burning red and black lava, both of which enhance its unique and sophisticated personality. The bike weighs 229 kilograms dry, making it 6 kilograms lighter than its predecessor, improving agility and acceleration.